if you want to improve your spoken English, watch this complete story carefully till the end. The Locked Room Mystery. Ravi was a college student. He lived in a small town. One evening, he stayed late in the college library. He was preparing for an important exam. At 9 p.m., the library became empty. Only Ravi was there. Suddenly, he heard a strange sound. Knock. 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 Ravi looked around. Nobody was there. He felt nervous. A few minutes later, he heard the sound again. This time it came from an old room at the end of the hallway. The room had been locked for years. No one was allowed to enter it. Ravi became curious. He slowly walked toward the room. The hallway was dark and silent. His heart was beating fast. When he reached the door, he saw something surprising. The lock was broken. The door was slightly open. Ravi pushed the door gently. Creak. The door opened. Inside the room, everything was covered with dust. Old books were lying on the floor. Broken chairs stood in the corners. Then Ravi noticed a small wooden box. It was placed in the middle of the room. The box looked very old. Suddenly, another knock echoed behind him. Ravi turned around quickly. Nobody was there. His hands started shaking. He slowly opened the box. Inside it was a piece of paper. The paper contained only one sentence. Don't look behind you. Ravi froze. His heart pounded loudly. He wanted to run. But curiosity was stronger than fear. Slowly. Very slowly. He turned around. There was nothing. The room was empty. Ravi sighed with relief. Then he noticed something on the wall. A hidden switch. He pressed it. A secret compartment opened. Inside were hundreds of old exam papers and historical documents. The college had been searching for them for many years. The next day, Ravi informed the principal. Everyone was shocked. The missing documents were finally found. The strange knocking sound? It was coming from a loose window hitting the wall because of the wind. Ravi smiled. Sometimes the biggest mysteries have the simplest answers. Moral. Fear grows in silence, but truth appears when we have the courage to investigate.